Today we're going to talk a little about what you need for your 455 Rancher to run it safely at home. Right here we have chaps. These will protect your legs if the chain hits your legs. Hearing protection, very important. Eye protection. Gloves. That's all the safety stuff. What you're going to need for your saw: bar and chain oil, 2-stroke fuel. First thing you're going to do is add your fuel. Then you take your bar and chain oil, add it into the bar and chain reservoir. This lubricates the chain. So here we have a 455 Rancher, great homeowner saw. I'm going to start it. I'm going to show you how to start it. So first things, put the brake on. Push the compression in. Makes it easy to pull. You're going to pull the choke out. Prime it. Firmly hold the saw. It burped like that. Push the choke in. So what I did here is I just pushed the choke back in. When you're ready to shut it off, the spread switch push down. Here we have the HUSQVARNA 2-stroke fuel, all pre-mixed for all the handheld HUSQVARNA equipment. Highly recommend you getting this. Has a shelf life of about 2 years. Also, if you buy a piece of handheld equipment and a gallon of the fuel at the time of purchase, you go from a 2 to a 5-year warranty.